Today we will learn about newly introduced dynamic array formulas, which include unique formula, filter formula, and since the older Excel formulas would also run on the new Excel dynamic array engine, we would also be able to see how the old formulas would run on this new concept. On the left hand side, I have a table populated by with car sales. So I have car manufacturer, car model, the price in thousand and sales in thousand. If I have to take unique out of this manufacturers, traditionally what I would do is I will go to advanced filter and take unique, or I'll remove duplicate from my list. But with unique formula, you can obtain unique manufacturers very easily. Now I have unique, I select my array, and you see since the unique formula has multiple results and not just one, all the results are spilling in the rows. Now this particular range where this result is spilling is called spill range. And with this you can see very easily we have unique car manufacturers coming in this list. Now I'll filter this table with cars costing more than 40,000. And how do I do it with the formula? So let's write filter, select the complete array, and this is where you will be applying the condition. And my condition is this range, and wherever I have more than 40,000 in this range, when I press enter, I have all the manufacturers, models, and all the cars which are costing more than 42,000 or 40,000. You can also write nested or chained array formulas. And how do we do that? So I go here and I change or I sort this values. So I say sort. I want to sort by, let's say, the sales in thousands. So how many units were sold for this particular car? And this particular column is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I say fourth. The fourth element is what I want to sort on. And I sort it by descending, which is -1. And see, the entire table is filtered and sorted. Another thing to notice is, unlike any other Excel formula or the older Excel formula, you don't have to drag the formula to the entire range. You just press enter after writing the formula in first column and the entire array formula will get copied in the entire range where you are looking for the results. And you see the first range is where the formula is displayed in black color, whereas other ranges the formula is displayed in gray color, which is not highlighted. Let us now see how the older Excel formulas will apply or will get applied on the dynamic formulas. Let's take count A for example, and I want to count all the manufacturers or unique manufacturers in this list. So one way is I have count A and I drag and drop my range. Or the second way, if I want to get or take the entire range in consideration, I say hash. Now hash will ensure the entire spill range is selected and it gives me count of manufacturers, unique manufacturers. Now let's apply len formula, which is used for length of a particular string. And when I give the complete length, and this time while I need to give the complete range, which is again equal to len and hash. And when I do that, it creates another spilled range and which has length of each manufacturer listed here. Lastly, let's see how our favorite VLOOKUP formula would get changed due to dynamic arrays. Let's apply VLOOKUP. I would like to see, I have the car models here and I would like to see the price in thousand and sales in thousand in the respective columns. Let's say VLOOKUP and I select all the models in the list. My table array is the original table with all the models, price and units. Now I want two results out of this. First one is price in thousand and second in sales in thousand. And hence I need to create an array here. So I say 2 and 3 which are the column numbers respectively. And finally, I say uh, exact match. Now, when I press enter, you see it is getting replicated or it is getting prices for each model, but it is still not getting the sales for each model. And to do that, I copy this formula and paste it into the next column. And as you see, the sales in 1000 is also getting populated. Thank you.